Hello. Oy. Wala lang.
Sure lang.
Oh. Look at this guy. Look at that. Sure.
Front cam mo, man.
Hi!
Paano yung front?
Bawal yan. Bawal yung ano. Hindi mo pwede switch pag nagre-record.
Idong. Idong. Saan si birthday boy?
Parang may nawawala. Parang may kulang.
Ayun yung birthday boy, ayun yung birthday.
Saan? Wala nga. Whoa, watch out. Come on. Kenneth! Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Kenneth. Ano masasabi mo ngayong araw?
Nothing.
Ano masasabi mo about kay Erica?
What the hell? Ay, businessman yan.
Tamo yung
Ako businessman.
Tamo
Anyways.
yung sidekick niya, ang pogi.
Hindi sila to. Wala sila to.
Sino to? Oh. That's it. Sino daw? Nanarinig akong pangalan.
Sino? Win daw. Win naman pala.
Win ba? Ano masasabi mo about kay Win tsaka kay Kenneth?
Di ko nga alam. Di had a pass.
Eh kay ni Zaya.
Sino yun? Joke lang.
Doesn't matter.
Joke lang.
Ano masasabi mo about kay
Carmino.
kay Erica?
Wala. Malapit na kami dyan. Don't worry.
Sino ba yung kausap mo?
Si Sean.
Sino?
Sean.
Si Sean. At say hi. Hey guys, hey. Hey guys. No, they don't wanna say hi.
Guys and gays.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Kenneth.
Eh, binabati mo nga pala si Sino binabati?
Happy birthday, Kenneth! Si Kenneth!
Eh, say happy birthday. No? Okay. Doesn't matter. They don't want to say happy birthday. No?
Happy birthday to you!
How about that? Oh, man, wait, let's ask him. You wanna say happy birthday to my friend? No? No?
Happy birthday to you!
Let's say happy birthday to someone. Let's get someone. Excuse me, it's his birthday. Do you want to say happy birthday? No? I didn't think so. No, she didn't want to. Look at them, what the hell? Let's go find some people. Let's go some... Hindi dapat yung maganda. Come on, Kenneth, let's do the bus prank.
Kenneth, happy birthday. Salamat sa libre.
Style nila sa tiginin mga ganun.
Salamat sa libre.
Kung saan?
Sa una, isang bus bilang, di ba yung hindi ko tara yun. Di ba ganun ang bawang bilang akadis ka?
Asa yung Shimano mo? Look. Yo, look. No? Look at those guys. What? Sino?
Uy, dito.
Wala na ako sa mood eh. Gusto ko yung naglalakad. Oh. Guys, let's go see the camera. Say hi. Let's go say hi to people.
Nakangiti
Yo,
naman
guys, say hi. Say hi, man, say hi.
Oh, video. Alright.
What's up?
Lakoy, Junior.
You're so tall, man.
Marasakay.
Come on, let's walk around.
Adapted ata sila ko
Let's go walk around. Let's check out.
Damn!
Check.
New look.
Let's go find.
Babae ba yan?
Ganda nung ano niya, man.
Hindi, padring nga, konti lang. Birthday 6. So, birthday 6.
Birthday boy, saan tayo? Ikaw yung boss namin ngayon.
I know, right? Tara, ito tayo.
Okay, let's walk around and ask people to greet Kenneth.
Sa monument ka
Let's go.
Bye!
So, what do you think about this day?
It's a problem.
Come on, man. You boring people.
Happy
Ginawa
birthday!
niya.
May kumukuha ng pagkain doon, tapos tinutok niya sa kanila. Nahiya nga yung mabahay, pero
Happy birthday! Saan?
Ano sabi mo kay Kenneth?
what's up?
Come on, man. Hey, freaking Asian.
Oh, man. Come on, let's...
Oh, send ko.
mga bata.
Kids, come here. I want to tell you a story. No?
You wanna candy?
They didn't want a story. If they want a story. Sorry.
Yung
Next
mga
time.
babae sa Hollister, man.
Sige.
Wala ito.
Okay, we're going. Ano? Kailan? No, man. Fuck elevator. Look at that. Pinatok sa kanya. Oh. What's... Asan sila lalabas?
OMFG.
Wala namang ano, di ba? Ha? Walang elevator. Sarado.
Yung sa counter na gag.
Asan? Asan ba si Kenneth? No, cause... Sucks, man. Oh, look, check her out. Oh, no, can't see it. Oh, damn, look, she's got red hair. No, not... Get the fuck out, man. What? Hindi nakita.
Ayun na siya. Yung redhead. Ayun yung gore dito.
I know I was gonna, but you were in the way. Joe, what can you say about Kenneth's birthday?
Birthday ni Kenneth?
Galing kami, Laos, di college.
Ate.
Sayaw na tayo. Ate, just sayaw na tayo. Happy birthday.
How many times have you said that?
Happy birthday. Monday ah.
Ano sasabi mo kay Glyza?
Comment.
Asan?
Oncoming, yung mga yun. Yung oncoming dalawa.
Asan si Kenneth?
What can you say about that?
Kenneth, wala eh. Excuse me, would you like to greet our friend? It's his birthday.
Nakasama na.
I'd rather not talk to ye.
Ayun, Garga, yung mga Garga.
Asan?
Ayun yung nagpipicture, man.
Oh, tara, may picture tayo. Oh, wait. Let me get in the picture. No? Where? Ayun, ay.
Si Angel.
Where? Hey, excuse me. It's my friend's birthday. We want to greet him on the camera.
Hello.
Say hi, come on, guys.
Happy birthday.
Come on, Kenneth, say hi. You want to meet them, yeah? See you later.
What happened?
They just said ni hao, man. That's so racist. That's so racist, right? Isn't it?
I know, right?
They're so...
Gangnam style mo yung babae.
Come on, let's do the Gangnam Style. Alright, let's ask people if they want to do the Gangnam Style. If they
Get the
can.
music.
Yeah, someone put the music.
Happy birthday.
Kulit mo!
Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Happy
mga vein.
birthday.
Umalis kayo, mga vein. Ito, tama.
Yo, what's
My
happening
heart
here?
just stopped.
Dali.
Kayo kaya, I'm shy now.
We got
Si
tourists
Marky,
here,
si
so...
Marky. Becky, sasabay na ako kay National tsaka
Si
kay
Marky,
Nadia.
Marky, go.
Sino? Wait, my goodness. Who's going? Why are you going? It's early.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ihatid ko to. Sa siya uwi.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Saan pa ba? Happy birthday, bro. Let's go. Okay. Sino uwi? Sige, sige. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.
Mas ka na rin?
He's going. Look at them. Swagger boys. Look at the leader. Pakokok. Pakokok. Oy, pakokok! Who's going now?
Pare yung nakaupo, man.
71,
Ay,
How's
sige.
na?
Happy birthday.
878.
Yan, sa monument tayo.
Monument?
Kuya.
Monument.
Diamond trip.
Oh, damn. Look at those two. Look, check them. Oh, no. Ooh. Are you going na? Are you going? Look.
Yan ang tagal yung video na yan. Tagal ng video.
Hello.
11 minutes.
Happy birthday.
Ilang gig yan,
Hello.
men?
Happy birthday ulit. Hello.
Kay Lupin, di yan ma-upload eh.
Hati-hatiin niya. Hahatiin niya. Sure lang, nahatiin mo mamaya.
Wait lang ako. Ano nagre-record pa?
Oh.
Happy birthday mo yung mga nakaupo. Jan Bachi.
Is it okay if you say happy birthday to my friend? Just say one happy birthday. Just say one happy birthday.
Come on, don't be shy.
Oh God!
They say happy birthday.
No, they didn't.
Why not?
They were
Come on,
shy.
are you shy?
Birthday blow dyan.
No, they're shy.
Wala eh.
Aaron, say hi naman dyan. Oh, ito nga pala yung gumagawa ng server ng run.
Oh.
Mayaman to, mayaman. Ito. Nice hair, bro. I like your set. I like that. Look. Check that out. Check out your biceps, man. Come on, sure. Check out this. Oy, sure na, anong sabi mo kay Estudillo?
Ano? Ano sabi mo kay Studillo? Mahal mo pa? Mahal mo pa si Studillo? No?
You know you do. You just don't wanna admit it. You know what I mean?
Ano masasabi mo kay Sweetsen?
Bye.
Ano sabi mo?
Bye. Bye. See you later.
Ganda nung ano,
Kasi
men,
ano
yung
masasabi
katabi
mo?
mo.
Ano masasabi mo kay
Ang ganda
Erika?
nung katabi mo, man.
Erika. Erika.
Kayo naman dyan, mga kaibigan ka. Oh. Wait! You didn't say bye to me yet. Bye. No, you never? Bye. Tagal yan, no?
Una naman.
Okay, to be continued, bro.